Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to add cross-sell products to the checkout page in Woocommerce. Cross-selling is a great way to increase our store's revenue by suggesting related or complementary products before customers finish their purchase. By adding cross-sell products to the checkout page, we encourage customers to add more items to their cart. Showing relevant recommendations at the right time helps us raise the average order value, improve our customers' experience, and boost sales without being pushy. Let's walk through the easiest way to add cross-sell products to the Woocommerce checkout page. First, log in to woocommerce.com and log into your account. When logged in, go to your store, click My Store, then click this site or your store. We will edit it here in WordPress. Next, go to your products. Crosssell is an example for the checkout. If you want to check out this heavyweight hoodie, before proceeding to checkout, these items will be recommended before checking out. To do this, click Edit. Once on the edit screen, scroll down to the Variable Products section. Here, you will see Linked Products. Click on Linked Products. You will see the cross-sell option. Let's add a shirt here. You can add up to 3 items here, such as another shirt. Now, before checking out the hoodie, these 2 items will appear in the recommended section on the checkout page. This way, even if customers only want the hoodie, they can also add these recommended products to their cart. When finished, just click Save. And that's how we add cross-sell products to the checkout page in Woocommerce. With the right recommendations, we can maximize our store's earning potential while giving more value to our customers.